Every day is so wonderful, and suddenly it's hard to breathe. And now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today. To all your friends, you're delirious, so consumed in all your doom, trying hard to fill the emptiness. The piece is gone, left the puzzle undone. Is that the way it is? 'Cause you are beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring you down. No, no. See, you are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring you down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today. No matter what we do, no matter what we say, with a song inside the tune, full of beautiful mistakes. And everywhere we go, the sun will always shine. Always, always shine. 'Cause we are beautiful no matter what they say. Yes, words won't bring us down. No, no. We are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring us down. Oh no. So don't you bring me down today. Ooh. Don't you bring me down today. Yeah, yeah. Don't you bring me down today.
Yay, well done, girl. Well done. Louise, has come to you first.
Sienna, I think the last time I heard you sing, you were probably about 8 years old at the cricket club, and your mum made you sing to me. And I can't believe that was you singing. Like, it was such a lovely audition, and that's actually a really hard song to sing a cappella because it kind of goes everywhere. There's like key changes for the bridge, and you know, it just goes everywhere. So I think it was a brave choice, but I think you did well on it. I think in the bridge a little bit, I mean, if it was with music, it'd be different, but because it was a cappella, it is hard to pitch for anyone. But I loved at the beginning when you pitch those lower notes, because that's not easy to go from the melody down to those notes.
Yeah.
But the tone that you've got, it's like listening to a different person from when you were younger. Like, you've got such a lovely tone. I think you've got so much potential. And, you know, working with this search, I think you could really come on leaps and bounds. So I'm glad you've auditioned, and well done.
Kelly?
Thank you.
Yeah, I literally wrote like similar that it's a really hard song to sing with the music, let alone without. And I think that it was a really, really brave choice to do, and I think it really worked for you. It showed off that you've got this really nice tone, and there's also a lot of room for growth with your voice. I think that you've got a voice that can adapt and go to sort of like any music, so it'll be interesting to see you with backing behind you and exactly how far you can push that voice and where you can go with it. So yeah, I'm really excited about seeing you in the competition.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sienna, I can, for me personally, I can see just by watching you there that I know this is a call, and this is probably the first time you've done something like this on a call with just apart from Louise, randomers in front of you. But like, I gotta give you some constructive advice, because I want to know, because at the beginning you made a comment and you said that this is something you'd like to do this, you know, like singing and that.
Yeah.
But this is not an easy industry. It's a very challenging industry to be in, and even the best singers get turned away. So what I need you to really, really focus on, if you're successful throughout this, is fight for it. Passion, drive, and I want to see that through the camera. I want to see you saying, I'm gonna smash this. I want to feel that energy, because even though the song was quite stripped in that end, it almost felt like to me like, oh my God, I don't even want to do this. That's how it came across, because I didn't feel like you really, really wanted it. But that could be just because it's new to you. You're unsure of yourself. You're still unsure what you can do. But I want to give you some good comments and tell you that I do believe there's a voice there. And I do believe you could make a successful career out of it. But you have to work for it. You have to put your blood, sweat and tears into doing it. So as long as you are willing to learn, grow, and put all your passion into it, then I can 100% say that, yeah, you will do well. But you've got to put that work in. All right? Other than that, it was nice. You showcased, you definitely got a talent. 100%. All right? So we're gonna go to a bit of a vote now. All right? So...
Yeah, I'm going to say yes. I think you've got potential.
Kelly?
Yeah. So.
I'm going to give you a yes, because as long as you can put the work in and fight for it, because that's what it's all about, girl. We all got to do. You got to show people, look, I'm going to smash this. That's what I want to see you do, but you need to believe that. So take today's critique now from all of us and take that on board, because you were 100% talented. You've got talent, but take advantage of that now, all right? Really, really, don't hold back. Just let yourself go. Take